Trying to play FC26 online friendlies, but it's just not working? Whether you are stuck on the loading screen, unable to connect with friends, or facing random disconnects, this guide will help you fix it fast and get back to the pitch. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you what to do when you get FC26 online friendlies not working on PC. Method 1. Unfriend and refriend. When online friendlies is not working while playing FC26 on your PC, first unfriend and refriend the person you want to play friendlies with on Steam or your PlayStation. On Steam, click on the Friends option and right-click on the friend you are facing this issue with. Click on Manage and then select Remove as Friend. Now, send them another friend request and then try playing friendlies. If you are playing on PlayStation, then try the similar trick and see if this could fix the issue. Method 2. Log out of EA account and log in again. The next thing you can try is log out of your EA account and then log in again. To do that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the EA app homepage. Now select the logout option. Wait for some time and then log in with your account credentials. You can also restart your PC and then try to log in again. Launch the game and check now. Method 3. Exit the game and restart. A simple restart can often solve bugs and errors you encounter while playing games. So you can simply restart the game. From the EA app, click on the 3 horizontal line menu and select Exit. You can also click on the Help tab and select the Restart App option. Wait till the app restarts. To completely close the app, right-click on the Windows search menu and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, right-click on all the processes related to the EA app and select the End Task option for each process. Then relaunch the app and check. If you're planning to play the game on Steam, then close the game and restart Steam and check. You can also try fixing the game error by restarting the PC. After a fresh restart, relaunch the game and check. If the issue persists after the restart, then move to the next solutions shown here. Method 4. Check the game server. Also make sure to check the game server for any outage. If you see there is any server outage, then wait for some time and then recheck. Try playing the game when all the services are up and running again. Method 5. Check your internet connection. The next thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Check the internet speed by visiting speedtest.net and see if your internet is fast and stable enough. Next, you can restart the router. Also make sure the router is closer to the gaming device. You can also try connecting with an Ethernet cable if you are already not doing that. Also make sure that multiple devices are not connected to the Wi-Fi you are using. Method 6. Close background apps and processes. To stop unnecessary processes eating up your bandwidth, close the background apps and processes. To do that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on the Processes tab and check the Network section to locate apps or services eating up the bandwidth. Right-click on such processes and select End Task. Method 7. Update the network drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 8. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. Type CMD in the Windows search menu and right-click on the command prompt. Select to run as administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window and press the Enter button after each command. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Method 9. Change the DNS address. Press the Windows +R keys to open Run, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on the network adapter you are using for the internet connection and select Properties. Double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4 option. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. First enter 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 in the alternated DNS server section, which is Google's public DNS. Click on OK and check if FC26 is running with lower ping. If not, then change the preferred DNS to 1.1.1.1 and alternate DNS to 1.0.0.1, which is Cloudflare DNS. Method 10. Contact the EA support team. If the method shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the EA support team and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's how you could fix FC26 online Friendlies not working on PC. We hope one of these methods helped you reconnect and enjoy seamless gameplay with friends. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Drop a comment below to share which solution worked for you. It might help someone else get back in the game too.